sorry for my crusty lips. It has been minus 20 degrees Celsius in Helsinki today. Yay! So my lips are so freaking dry. But let's begin. I have already done my eyebrows, as you can see, and also primed my lids, because that's what we're starting with firstly. Okay, so all you're going to need for the eyeshadow is, well, you can do this how complicated you want, but if you want to do the Kardashian style, all you have to do is have a medium brown eyeshadow. You know, this is actually a budget video, so you can use whatever you want, but medium brown. I'm actually going to use just the contour. This is from Beauty UK matte bronzer. I'm going to use that as eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little here, tap tap tap, and then just start rolling. And when you do the makeup, you want to do a kind of cat eye, because my cheekbones go here in this angle. So I want to complement my cheekbones by using my eyeshadow in the exact same angle. So what I'm going to do is to pull my eyeshadow that way. First I'm going into the crease and then out, like that. And because we're doing this firstly, we're going to use the foundation to really snatch it. And when you're in the crease, really focus on deepening that crease also. So this is how it looks right now, and if you really want to deepen it, you can also take even more darker eyeshadow and go in the crease. Okay, so now I have a really cat eye-ish eyeshadow. Will look better soon, and you can leave it there, or you can use even more eyeshadow if you want. I'm going to use just a base on the eyelid. And also I'm going to highlight a bit in the corner, brow bone, like that. And now I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera, so be right back. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow then. Now it just looks up because we have no foundation whatsoever, but that's gonna change right now. So now I'm going to prime, and firstly I'm going to use the Professional from Benefit Cosmetics in my T-zone, and then I'm going to do rest of my face using the Wet n Wild Coverall primer. Okay, as I said, the only things you need to do a Kardashian contouring is 2 different shades of foundation. I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Golden Beige, and also Lumina Blur foundation Long Wear in the color Light Ivory. This is from Finland, so I don't really know if you can get it anywhere else than in Finland and Scandinavia. But you can use any really light foundation that you want. So first I'm going to take the Wet n Wild, then I take the spatula that comes with it and just do my cheekbones like that, under the chin. Very important if you have, like me, a double chin. So really pack that double chin. Also dots here. Nose, very important for me that have a really not so cute nose. And then of course the forehead. And you can use whatever foundation you want that is a little darker than your regular skin. Now I have self-tanning on, so this won't be that much darker. And now I'm just gonna blend it out. Blend that out. Now I look like this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, the contouring. It's very sharp, but it will get even sharper. So now I'm going to blend the two foundations together because, as I said, I have self-tanning on my face right now, so I'm a little more tan than usual. So the lighter foundation doesn't really match at the moment, so I'm going to blend these two together. Now I'm going to apply that on my face, and this is how we do with the eyeshadow. Really snatch it. And yeah, now I look creepy as fuck. And now I just blend the gods. Okay, now what do you think? Do you look snatched? But we're not done yet. Now we have to set everything, kind of. Not everything, but I will show you how to set it. Some loose powder. Set my under eye. And kind of everywhere that I highlighted except under the cheekbones. And I'm gonna explain why later. Okay, now that we have set our face, we're going to do some bronzing. And we're going to use the same bronzer as we did the eyeshadow. Cheekbone. Pat, 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 pat. Also the forehead. I have a really big forehead if you compare to the Kardashians, so I'm going to bronze the hell out of it. And of course the double chin. That's like my most important place to contour. The double chin. Here and then down, of course. You can do like really specific nose contouring, but now I'm just like, no, just bronzing it. And now to the reason why we didn't put any powder here. Because if you up the contour here, you can just boom, boom, boom. Now it looks great again. But now we go to highlighting, of course, the highlighting gods as well. That's the contour gods. Or is that Jeffree Star, I think? Chin, nose, some on the forehead, bling it up a little bit, and then the cupid bow. But I'm going to do the rest of my makeup. As you can see, the eyeshadow is a lot more snatched now, and I will do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, well, this is the finished look. I'm going to do a small comparison how my skin looked before and how I'm now really contoured. I really like this method for contouring, and if you did too, please leave a like. If you didn't, then stop watching this video. And okay, that's all for me today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and leave a comment, and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to push the notification bell if you want a notification every time I post a new video.